Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of Speaking Skills presentation. Today I have learned about simple present tense. Let me show you that thing and let me show you first. After that I will say it. Is it recording well? Yes, it's recording. Today we came to about ability description indicates a person capability or capacity to do from a specific action at tense. Past sentence: I am able to code in Python. We, you, we, any pronouns, this, those, this, they, this are able to. We are able to detect a bug. We see it any singular noun, this, that. Mira is able to recall the past. Negative sentences: I am not able to code in Python. We are not able to detect a bug. Mira is not able to recall the past. And this was start, and I have done this assessment and scored 10, 9. And the test was based on yesterday's one. Here I scored 14. Instead of small misunderstanding in the sentence, I kept this one as or not. Is not. I thought it's a piece. That's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Knowing my progress about how I learned today's one. Please share and subscribe channel with your friends so that they will also know my channel. And this is day 2 of speaking skills. And at present I am in day 61 of the whole course. Completed the starting one with basic web development. Next responsive web development, static web development, responsive web development, and next Python course has completed up to functions, basic operators, if conditions, loops, relational arithmetic operators, and functions, list and string operations, list and string with built-in functions, and that's the input parts. And now today I entered a database DBMS system in which I will learn about SQL and how the database is will work and how to store and how to store and create tables and utilize that big data from the various sources of website that we create in the upcoming future. I hope you enjoyed this video and you came to know about my small journey. Thank you.